Good morning. Lifted van meet, day one today at Brawley Flying J. I'll be there around 4 or 5. It's me and Brooke's anniversary week. She got me this. I'll show you guys later. Me and Brooke are near Joshua Tree right now. We're gonna head to the Integratron. She's been wanting to see that. And then we're gonna head out to Flying J Brawley. We'll be there around 4 or 5. What a great anniversary week. Spending time with Brooke, going to the Integratron. Got a Transformers toy. And I'm gonna hang out with you guys. Gonna see a lot of my friends again, and I'll meet a lot of you for the first time. So we got one guy there already, Campos. Look for a Prius with the hitch carrier. And I think Joey's Fort is near there right now. So if you guys see each other, hey, if you get there a lot earlier than me, check out Slab City early or Salton Sea. All right, guys, let's check out what Brooke got me. Ages 8 and over. I fit in that demographic. I'm starting a little collection of Transformers Generation 1 remakes. This one's Cyclonus from the 1985 movie. So I actually haven't opened my other ones, so I will open this one first. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. So first one I'm unboxing out of all the ones I have. Are unboxing videos still a thing? Doesn't feel like it's a thing anymore. Oh, it's already in robot mode. Nice. Look at that. Just like the original. But looks better. Looks better than the original, but it's still the same style. And you have to put your own decals on it? What? Party like it's 1985. I don't have time to transform this. It looks a lot more complicated than the original. But there it is, my anniversary present. If you're early, look for a Prius with a hitch carrier or Joey's Fort. I will pin Joey's Fort's Instagram in the comment section. See you guys in a bit, in a couple hours. It's here.